A social media post claims that French astrologer Nostradamus predicted the COVID-19 outbreak of 2020. The post says that in 1551, Nostradamus predicted the rise of the virus in a twin year, which is 2020, in the east, which refers to China. And this would affect the country with 7 hills, Italy, ultimately leading to a collapse of the world economy. We had factly visited websites that list Nostradamus' predictions. First up was Wikisource and its page on Nostradamus' work Les Prophéties. Searches for terms like twin year, 7 hills, and virus did not yield any result. We then visited Nostradamus.org, a website dedicated to the life and works of the man. Here too, these searches did not point to anything related to 2020 or COVID-19. The same goes for another website, sacred-texts.com. In addition to this, we also found that international fact-checking agencies like Reuters have already debunked this claim. As Nostradamus himself would probably say, "Ce sont de fausses nouvelles," meaning this post is fake.
When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.